Miss Pamela, you wanted to add to that too. Thank you, Karen.
Yeah, I just want to tell everybody, just stay encouraged because like this week, I had my first seller package week before last, which it wasn't but $70, but it went over pretty good. I did real good. I got up early this morning. I marked
Oh
everything
my God.
and I did my paperwork except for signing it and docking it. And I had everything, had my little tabs, the signing little tabs, had my extra copy. I did everything like I posed. I just took my time. I
Yeah.
did that. And then
Congratulations.
and then like the field inspection thing, they started be hitting me. I have to turn them off. Y'all getting on my nerves because they bother me a lot.
So you getting so many field inspection requests you don't want to do them?
Right, because some of them don't. Okay, it depends on what company it is. Some of them is too dangerous to be messing with, and the pay is too
Okay.
low. So I'm like, no. But today I had three. They offered me 20 because of the mileage. I told them 40. They came to 35.
Okay.
So I did three for $105.
Okay.
I did one, which is like right down the road from me, for $20. It just like take 4 pictures and upload it. So that was
Miss Pamela is
$125 for that. Tomorrow, I have a field inspection. I have to go to the police station and do a couple of police reports. $100 each.
oh, I love it. I
That's
am
two.
so excited for you.
That's $200. Now I had to turn some down because everybody want to bounce on me for tomorrow. I had one for like it wasn't a field inspection. It was from a signing company, but they wanted me to go do measurements of a house and take pictures, and they were gonna pay me $80. But because of direction, I said no. And also, they wanted another direction wanted to do a refi for $90, which is a longer distance than the direction I'm going for the police reports. So I had to turn them down. So just be patient. They're coming in, and when they come all at one time. I'm tired.
Ah, I love it, Miss Pamela. And I'm so proud that you took that loan signing. I know you were nervous about those. So you did your first seller's package. I knew you were killing the field inspections. That
Oh yeah,
is great.
that's the seller package like real easy, like real easy. And before I go, and what I did, I went on my video, and I'm like, okay, I got my package here. I printed everything out, make sure I got all my pages and stuff. Because in one part of it, the second print, it was like some of the pages didn't print. Why? It didn't print. Well, ran out of paper. So yeah. So I made sure I had a full set, no, 2 full sets. But I always go back and check my video whenever I have to go out and do a job or something. I go and look up YouTube if I don't have it on our site, and
I
I,
love it.
I
I love the resourcefulness because I go to YouTube too, guys. I go to YouTube. I go to Google. Somebody asked something in the chat the other day. I was like, hold on, I got it. I just
yeah,
Googled it.
yep.
So very good though, for real. I am so excited for you. And back to really quick, we're gonna get Miss Alicia. When Miss Pamela said $105 for 3 inspections that didn't take her, what did that even take you, an hour and a half?
It was the distance, so but all of them was going the same direction. That's why I told them they were gonna pay me 20. I said no, and because of the distance, I didn't want 20 wasn't gonna do it for me. So I I counteracted for 40, and they said 35. So I ended up with 35 for each one.
So that's $105 times 30 days. Just let's just say. Plus she had her
Mm-hmm.
$70 loan signing. You see how the money can add up? It really can.
And
Like she said, she was just tired in her case. She's like, I don't even want to do no more.
yeah, and the signing orders, I'm about signing orders. That program, you actually have to go out there, and I get up and go out there and check every morning, different time during the day. That's how you catch a lot of those, the signing orders.
Okay. Great tip.
Yeah,
Great tip.
yeah, yeah.
Well, thank you again.
They don't always just send you nothing. You actually have to go out and check and grab.
Okay. All right. Thank you again, Miss Pamela. That just made my day too. You and Mr.
Welcome.
Frederick, y'all doing great. It take a little while, like everyone's saying. It's not overnight. It is not. You really have to get your name out there. But once you do, you really do control your own destiny. You want to do 4 days, 5 days, 6 a day? It's up to you. None. Miss Alicia, thank you for sharing this, Pamela.